Here I have Xiaomi Mi 6 and let me show you how to turn on and use the second space on the following device. First of all, let's find and select the settings right here. Let's scroll down and under system and device let's choose second space. So you can create a separate space on your phone. Using a second space is like having two devices. Let me turn on second space. The device is switching into the second space, and that's it. This is the second space. So you can use your device and save the things onto this second space. You can also set up the second space by tapping set up second space. Let's choose set. You can, for example, set the second space password. Let me choose not now in my case. You can import photos if you would like to. You may also import files, apps, and that's it. You are all set. So you can use the second space right now, or you can use an upper bar and go to the first space by using that option right here. The device is switching the spaces and you are in a normal mode, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.